Welcome aboard this beautiful 2012 Hanse 445, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Hanse 445 is a highly respected cruising sailboat celebrated for its exceptional blend of performance, comfort, and innovative German engineering. This model builds on the legacy of the Hanse 44, offering a refined hull shape with pronounced chine for enhanced stability and increased interior volume. A long, graceful waterline ensures an outstanding sailing experience, appealing to both competitive sailors and those seeking leisurely cruises. The vessel features twin rudders for precise handling and maneuverability, especially in challenging conditions. Renowned for meticulous construction standards, the 445 is built using advanced composite techniques, resulting in a strong yet lightweight structure. The walk-around deck features a clear path from the cockpit to the side decks. Moving forward is effortless, with stays positioned to avoid impeding movement. The bow locker offers ample space for deck gear or sails, and the open foredeck provides easy access to the windlass and handheld controller. Flush-fit deck hatches enhance safety by eliminating trip hazards and snag points. A large central table with folding leaves and integrated storage is easy to navigate around with convenient handrails for added security. Navigation instruments are perfectly placed, including autopilot, wind instruments, and a chart plotter. There is comfortable seating at both helms and along each side of the cockpit. Accessing below deck is safe and comfortable thanks to wide companionway steps. Below you'll find a bright, inviting interior with a spacious salon bathed in natural light. The 445's interior is designed for comfort and functionality, featuring an open plan layout with plenty of light and ventilation. The seating area includes a comfortable U-shaped settee around a central table. The large U-shaped galley is practical and well equipped, featuring a stainless steel sink, solid surface counters, a 3-burner stove, oven, large fridge, and in-counter freezer. There is ample counter space and storage, making this yacht ideal for extended cruising. Aft and to port is a functional navigation station with desk and electronics, including the electrical panel, navigation instruments, and VHF radio. The aft head, located at the port side of the salon, features an electric freshwater toilet, elegant sink, and spacious walk-in shower. Moving forward, the owner's cabin features a central island bed, adding a touch of luxury and comfort. The cabin is well ventilated and offers smart storage solutions. On the starboard side of the cabin is a private, spacious walk-in shower with beautiful fixtures. On the port side of the cabin, the private head is spacious and functional, with electric freshwater toilet and elegant sink. Moving aft, the 445 has two large aft cabins, both bright and comfortable with excellent standing room and generous space over the beds. The bright, spacious cabins offer moments of privacy and relaxation, whether at anchor, dock, or underway. The diesel generator is easily accessed from the port side aft cabin. Engine access is easy, located under the companionway steps. The engine and engine space are clean and well maintained. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, the Hanse 445 strikes a perfect balance between performance and comfort. To book your appointment to view this 445, contact Little Yacht Sales.